Hi everyone, I'm Joel from Joel Property and welcome to 10 Nature Close in Yandina Creek. Offering 1.5 acres of completely usable land and gated secondary access, you feel like you're miles away from everything, but you're actually only moments to the iconic Yandina station, local schools and breweries, and the beautiful beaches of Coolum. The home itself offers plenty of potential with 4 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms and a living area that opens directly to the outdoor entertaining with plenty of happy chooks close by. Thanks so much for watching. If you can picture yourself enjoying the fantastic lifestyle that acreage on the Sunshine Coast has to offer, why not give me a call and we'll get you through for your own private tour.